Pizza recipe by Cooking and Style. Before this video starts, please subscribe to Cooking and Style. In today's video, we are making two types of pizza: round pizza and square pizza. These are very delicious recipes to try. Let us start by making the pizza dough. Add half a cup of lukewarm water into a bowl. Add yeast 11 grams, sugar 1 tablespoon and salt 1 teaspoon. Mix it together well. After this, add oil 2 tablespoons. Add half cup more of lukewarm water. Add 800 grams of plain flour. After this, mix it well together to make a dough. Cover it and keep aside for 1 hour until the dough is double in size. We are going to cook mince for pizza toppings. Add mince into the pan. Add chopped garlic and onion after this. Add the spices alongside 1 cup of water. After adding the ingredients inside, cook for 6 minutes in a pressure cooker. Once the mince is tender, add tomatoes. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix and cook properly. The mince is ready. Keep aside the mince. After 1 hour, the dough will be double in size. Time to make pizza now. Take some dough and roll it into a bowl shape with flour. Sprinkle flour onto the dough and use a rolling pin to roll it into a pizza base shape. Apply some oil onto the pizza tray so that the pizza does not stick. Now put the dough on the pizza tray. To make a proper crust, press your fingers on the sides of the pizza. Now add a layer of tomato puree. Use pizza's toppings such as cheese, vegetables, or mince. After adding the sauce, add some of the cooked mince and add cheese on top. Add as much of these toppings as you want, preferring to your taste. This is a very delicious pizza recipe that you should try at home. Now add other toppings such as vegetables. There are many great toppings such as peppers, sweet corn, onions, and olives. Now on top of the pizza, sprinkle some oregano herb. You can add as many different toppings as you want. This is a really delicious pizza recipe. You can also have pizza in different shapes, such as squares. It is time to cook the pizza. Heat the oven and keep the pizza inside until it is golden brown. Alhamdulillah, the pizza is ready. Now cut it into slices and serve it to your family and friends. They will all love it. If you have not subscribed to Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Check out Cooking and Style's Facebook page and Instagram. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.